So this is part 2 of my little tutorial series on using the terrain generator. What we're looking at here is a empty project that we set up the plugins in the previous tutorial. So I'm going to start off by creating a new level. I'll call it new sample level. Open it. Okay, empty level. I'll add in sky sphere, so we've got some background. I'll add in one directional light and a player start. I'll put the player start at 0, 0, 5000. Next up, I create a blueprint, and the blueprint needs to be based on CG Terrain Manager, which is the main manager class for the terrain. Call it new sample terrain. Save that and open the blueprint. So in the defaults over on the right, you just need to set a number of tiles in the X dimension and number in the Y. There are some default values in the rest of this, which should all be fine. Anything you need to add now is in the LOD section. Add one LOD and set the range to a suitably large number like 500,000. That should be everything there. Now in the event graph, delete everything except event begin play. Drag a node off begin play and call setup terrain. Now here we have 3 relevant parameters. The noise generator, which is the Unreal Fast Noise generator module, the biome blend generator, which is something I'll come back to later. You can leave that unconnected for now. And finally the tracking actor, which is the player pawn that the terrain will follow around the world. So let's create the noise generator first. If you type in create fractal noise generator, you'll find the node. Now this node returns a U object, so you need to give it an outer. In this case, drag up pin off, type self, get reference to self. Set the noise type to simplex, frequency to 0.00001, lacunarity to 1.7. This is not specific to make it work, it's just some values that I may produce a reasonable looking terrain to start with. And now connect that to the noise gen section. The biome blend section, leave blank for now. Now for tracking actor, just pull it off and start typing get player pawn and leave that at index 0. So it will start tracking the default player pawn when we start. And that should be it. Compile and save. Now drop the terrain into the level, set it at 0, 0, 0. And we should be good to go. Here we are. This is our terrain. If we move far enough, we should see the next row get drawn in. So the basics are there. It's all working. If you go back into the terrain, change, say, the frequency to 0.0004, give it more octaves, compile. Again, as you can see, the terrain changes. So that's the end of this tutorial. It's just to show you how to build a scene from scratch. In the next tutorial, I'll start looking at producing some more realistic terrains using combinations of noise generators.